Hello students, this is Score Up by Achievers. Now we will discuss about the electric flux in electrostatic lesson. This is a past year questions. A charge Q is placed a point D of a cube. The question is cube. In the question cube, flux passing through EFGH and AEHD. This is EFGH this area, this phase, and AEHD this phase 1 and phase 2. What is the electric flux? Before you imagine the charge containing the 8 cubes. Okay, what is the flux? General formula phi is equal to E dot ds. Total flux enclosed in this cube is Q by epsilon naught. So this is the actual cube. Okay, then phi total is equal to Q by epsilon naught. Then phi phase of cube is 1 by 6 Q by epsilon naught, that is Q by 6 epsilon naught. Okay, this cube, the 8 cubes form a single cube, charge at its center. Then flux passing through phases is Q by 6 epsilon naught. Okay, the ஃபுல்லாகவே நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணணும், ஒரு கியூபாக இமேஜின் பண்ணிக்கணும். அப்போ அது சென்டரில் சார்ஜ் இருக்கிறதா இமேஜின் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா the phase-க்கான formula Q by 6 epsilon naught. Then consider this side of phase. Okay, 1 2 3 4 phases இருக்கு இல்லையா, இதில் actual phase வந்து this one EFGH this is. Okay, this phase is how many phases is there? 1 2 3 4, this total phase. அப்போ Q by 6 epsilon naught into 1 by 4 for AE or EFGH. EFGH 5 EFGH is how much? Q divided by 24 epsilon naught is the answer. Okay, and then AEHD 5 AEHD is 0 because E dot ds, the electric field and the area is same plane, so this is 0. Okay, next question. A point charge Q is placed at one corner of a cube. Similar, find the flux passing through a cube and each face of the cube containing the charge and each face of the cube not containing the charge. Okay, we will discuss one by one. One corner of a cube, so last year பார்த்த அதே pattern. Okay, imagine பண்ணலாம். So this is a cube, one corner. இப்போ இதை சுற்றி என்ன இருக்கும், நமக்கு ஒரு 7 cubes, அப்போ 8 cubes ஃபார்ம் ஆகிற மாதிரி இருக்கும். அது எப்படி ஃபுல்லாக எப்படி இருக்கும், ஸோ இது மாதிரி இருக்கிறதா பார்க்குறோம். ஸோ இதில் 8 cubes இருக்கும்போது total flux Q is equal to 5, total 5 flux is equal to Q by epsilon naught. பட் இண்டிவிஜுவல் கியூப் கார்னரில் இருக்கிறதுக்கு Q divided by 8 epsilon naught. 8 epsilon naught, this is the first one, cube corner. Then each face of the cube containing the charge, each face. So first here this face, space எடுத்துக்கிறோம், கார்னரில் சார்ஜ் இருக்கிறத கன்சிடர் பண்ணுறோம். each face containing the charge, each face of the cube containing the charge இருக்கிற எந்த ஃபேஸ் கண்டெயின் பண்ணிருக்கு, it contains this one, this is a 1, this is a 2, and then bottom 3. Bottom is this bottom, third phase. So the three phase க்கு மட்டும் क्वेश्चनல கேட்டிருக்காங்க. What is that? These are all என்ன இப்படி பாத்தீங்கன்னா E dot ds ல என்னவா இருக்கும்? Electric field through the phases 1 2 3 1 and 2 and 3 are 0 because the area vector is perpendicular to electric field, so perpendicular to electric field. So this three phases electric flux is 0. Electric flux is 0. So this is 0. This is q divided by 8 epsilon naught because it contains 8 cubes. So central இருக்கிறதுக்கான total flux q by epsilon 8 cubes 1 by 8. Then each face of the cube not containing the charge is already we discussed 1 by 8. So in the faces, this face imagine பண்ணி பார்த்தோம்னா clear, the 1 2 the back side 3 this face. So one face equal to one face, the total flux through passing through the cube by phase is 1 by q by 8 epsilon naught. So how many phases not containing? 1 2 and then back side 3. Okay, so into 3 is also q divided by 24 epsilon naught. Okay, next, so this is a final conclusion from this question. The charge is kept at the corner of a cube. Charge is kept at the corner of a cube. Total flux is q by epsilon naught. Okay, total flux for this cube is q by epsilon naught because the charge is at the center of this cube, not this is a corner. Imagine the large cube, 8 cubes. So central இருக்கிற q by epsilon naught is the total flux. அப்போ what is the individual cube flux அப்படின்னா divided by 8, 1 by 8, 8 cubes இருக்கு இல்லையா. So from the flux from the phase, one phase of opposite to charge of the given cube is இப்போ நம்ம பார்த்த q by 24 epsilon naught. Okay, divided by 1 by 3. So opposite phase, opposite charge, one phase opposite charge because three phases only. And then if a charge, in different cases, if a charge is kept at the center of cube, generally this is center la irukku, these are all symmetry phases, then total is 1 by epsilon naught. If it is in the center, 1 by epsilon naught. Okay, what is a 5 total? This one. What is a phase? Single phase q by 6 epsilon naught. And then corner is, if the charge q is placed at the corner, then flux passing through the cube is q by 8 epsilon naught. If it is an edge is q by 12 epsilon naught. Students, இதை remember பண்ணிக்கங்க, it's very easy. Then another one case, the charge is kept at the center of phase, center of the phase. Okay, so அதுக்காக நாம் என்ன பண்றோம், the phase உடைய சென்டர்ல இருக்கிறதா இமேஜின் பண்ணிக்கிறோம். அது பக்கத்துல another one cube draw பண்ணி இமேஜின் பண்றோம். Okay, so this is a center, both phases, both cubes. Okay, this is a imaginary cube. Okay, so what is the total flux from the system? 2 cubes இல்லையா. Total flux is q by epsilon naught. இதில் ஒரிஜினல் ஒன்று தான் இருக்குது, this is a imaginary. அப்போ ஒரிஜினல் போது என்ன ஆகணும், divided by 2. So what is the answer? Center of the phase q by 2 epsilon naught. Okay, then the electric flux is placed at the center of the cube side A. Then flux, electric charge is placed at the center of the cube side A. The flux is, what is the answers? Through the one of its faces q by epsilon is the right one. Through one of its face, not 6 faces இல்லையா, அதனால q by 6 epsilon naught தான் வரும். So this is the wrong one. Through all faces, that is a total flux cube, this q by epsilon is the right one. Through one of its faces கிடையாது, not 2. So this is a 1 and 3, 1 and 3 இருக்கிற ஆப்ஷன் இது fourth one. So fourth one is the right answer. So நீங்க கன்சிடர் பண்ணணும்னா cube எடுத்துக்கிட்டோம் அப்படின்னா இந்த கியூப்ல 6 ஃபேஸஸ் இருக்கும். சென்டரில் எடுத்தோம்னா it contains 6 faces. அப்போ total flux q by epsilon naught into 1 by 6 q by 6 epsilon naught, and then all faces is q by epsilon naught. Okay, and the next, already பார்த்ததா q charge q is situated at the corner of a cube. கார்னரில் டெஃபினட்டாக நமக்கு என்ன இருக்கும், 8 cubes. ஒரு சிங்கிள் கியூபை நீங்கள் என்னவா இமேஜின் பண்ணிக்கணும், சிங்கிள் கியூபை கார்னரில் இருக்குன்னா இதை சுற்றி ஒரு 7 கியூபை இமேஜின் பண்ணிக்கணும். டோட்டலாக 8 cubes. அப்போ ஆன்சர் இஸ் q by 8 epsilon naught passing through 6 faces of the cube. Okay, center q by 6 epsilon naught, corner q by 8 epsilon naught நம்ம பார்த்தோம். ஓகேங்களா? ஓகே ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், தேங்க்யூ.